Hello students, today we will see the revision lecture of 3 of lesson number first, that is the similarity. Under this lesson today we will take the revision of theorem of areas of similar triangles and the questions based on it. So first of all we will understand the theorem. When two triangles are similar, the ratios of areas of those triangles equal to the ratios of squares of their corresponding sides. So just I told you that if you want to find out the ratios of areas of two triangles, that is here triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given here, and if you want to find out the areas of this ratios of areas of this triangle is equal to what happens, it's is equal to ratios of sides, squares of corresponding sides of that triangle. So first of all, given inside which will come in triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AD is perpendicular on BC, PS is perpendicular on QR. After that, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to, we have to show that AB first and second, AB, these two triangles are similar to each other. So area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, or BC square upon QR square, second and third, or AC square upon PR square. Okay, so to prove this, first of all, as we know that the ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to base into height of ratios of base into height of respected corresponding triangles. So in area of triangle ABC is equal to base is BC and height is AD. So here it is written base is BC and height is AD. So here area of triangle ABC is equal to base into height, that is BC into AD, and area of triangle PQR is equal to base is QR and height is PS. So the next step is that we have to write here, we have to separate this BC upon QR, we have to write separate into AD upon PS, just write it separately. After that we have to show these two triangles, that is ABD and PQS, these two triangles. Where are the ABD and PQS? Here it is ABD triangle and here it is PQS triangle. So in these two triangles inside, B is congruent to Q, because these two are the similar triangles and similar triangles angles are congruent to each other. Okay, so B is congruent to Q, and as you know that these are the height, AD and PS is the height, so it is perpendicular on the base. So these angles is equal to 90, ADB and PSQ is equal to 90, and according due to a test of similarity, these two triangles are also similar to each other. Which two triangles? ABD and PQS. These two triangles are similar to each other. Okay. After that, when they are similar to each other, the ratios of their corresponding side is also equal. So here AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ, and after that what we have to do in this first statement is there AD upon PS. This AD upon PS we have to replace with AB upon PQ. Here BC upon QR is there, we have to keep it as it is, and AD upon PS we have to replace with the BC upon QR, and for that what we had done, we shown here AD upon PS is equals to that AB upon PQ. And the next, as you know that ABC is similar to PQR, it is given only, and if these two triangles are similar to each other, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Okay, and then what we have to do, from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3 we can replace it. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So this AD upon PS we can replace with the BC upon QR, and then we get it here, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. Okay, and BC into BC square, QR into QR square. Okay, in that way we can show that so in that way we can show that area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to BC upon BC square upon QR square, or again we can show that AB square upon PQ square and AC square upon PR square. So from this what we are understanding, when the two triangles are similar to each other, the ratios of areas of those triangle is equal to the ratios of squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, and here are the examples based on this theorem. So first question is the area of triangle triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of ABC is equal to 16. Area of PQR is equal to 25. Then find the value of AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. So ABC is similar to PQR. So as per just now we see in the theorem of areas of similar triangle, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. So put the values. ABC is equal to 16. Area of PQR is equal to 25. Taking square root, we got the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is the 4/5. Next question is the ratios of corresponding sides is given here. Okay, the ratios of corresponding side is given 2/5, and the areas of small triangle is given, and we have to find out the area of bigger triangle. So here the triangle names are not given, so we have to assume the triangles here, and we are assuming here area of triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and from these two triangles ABC is the bigger one. So ratios of their sides is equal to what? Square of their ratio of squares of their corresponding side. So here 2 square, here given ratio 2 square upon 5 square is equal to 4/25. Area of smaller triangle is given 64, and when you solve this mathematical operations, if you done and if you solve this, you will get the answer. Area of PQR is equal to 400 square centimeter. In that way you have to solve this question. Now the question number 3rd. In trapezium ABCD, here it is trapezium ABCD. In this trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and diagonals AC and this BD intersect each other at point P. Okay, and we have to prove that area of ABP means this small triangle upon area of PQD is equal to AB square upon CD square. Okay, so first of all, in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. APB upon and CPD, these two triangles we have to show similar to each other. So how we can show these two triangles similar to each other? As you know that these two lines are parallel to each other, then this is a transversal, then the angle BAP is congruent to angle PCD, because these are the alternate angles made by the transversal of two parallel lines and they are congruent to each other. And this P angle is there, that is APB and CPD. They are congruent to each other by opposite angle test. And therefore these two triangles, that is APD, BAP and CPD, these two triangles are similar to each other. Once they are similar to each other, there by the theorem of areas of similar triangles, this what happens, area of APB upon area CPD is equal to AB square upon CD square. In that way we can prove that. After that, problem set and practice sets are there, and if you have any doubt you are going to ask me anytime, no problem. Okay, and now we will start the revision of the next lesson, that is the Pythagoras theorem. As you know all, that is we are taking the revision lectures, so that I will start with the next video. Okay.